With all our all-inclusive programs, you will receive a minimum of 13 eggs. That's our egg delivery guarantee. So if you were to get less than 13 mature eggs from your donor, we would do an entirely new donor for you free of charge. This means you'd be able to choose another donor that meets your characteristics, and we would pay for her compensation, travel, and all the medical in order to retrieve a new group of eggs. So this is our commitment to you because we have such a strong belief in our screening system and in our donors, the quality of our donors. So that's included in every single all-inclusive program. For our choice programs where you choose items, that's going to be additional, but it's up to you if you want this. We have this wonderful blueprint that includes questions like this: how many eggs are you going to get, and is there a guarantee? And if you'd like to get a copy of that blueprint where you can compare and hopefully choose the very best Ukrainian surrogacy service provider, agency, or clinic for you, drop us a line, subscribe, and you'll see more videos like this with our questions that will help you reveal things that are important to you and the key differences between different agencies and clinics. Enjoy.